probably take 50 gallons on this, so we'll have you watch it just so that we don't make a mess.
All right.
It starts counting backwards now, right?
Yeah. The price goes down after every.
Oh, perfect.
Full.
All right, does the other one still say full?
Yes.
All right.
All right, we just left the fuel dock here in Norfolk, and now we're heading up the Chesapeake.
Something's jammed up there.
Yeah?
No.
There we go. Engine's off. Love to see it.
Tea time.
There you go.
Current should switch around in our favor in an hour, and we'll pick up a little bit more speed.
Woohoo! We've got 9 knots of apparent wind, and our speed over ground is 5.5. Not bad. It has been so hot lately, I refuse to turn on the stove for lunches, so this is our favorite salad. It's got purple cabbage, carrot, red bell pepper, leftover quinoa. I usually add in cucumber too, but we don't have any right now, and shelled edamame. Then I toss it in a peanut soy dressing. I'll put the ingredients on the screen. It's seriously so good and filling, you've got to try it. It looks like we're sailing by some sort of cargo ship anchorage. It's kind of cool. I've never seen this many in one place. Oh, bye-bye. Sponsored by Mike and Lisa.
Thank you, Mike and Lisa.
Seriously, I'm trying not to film you in your underwear.
We're just like small G&Ts today?
Yeah, just a little
Okay. We got early morning. Fresh
squeezed lime. It is absolutely gorgeous out. This is unreal. Alright, you guys, we're coming up on a couple of buoys of some sort. We've already passed one set of these. They're not on our charts, and they say something on them, so I'm going to see if I can read them as we go by. Okay, they ended up just saying no float channel, meaning you can't set fishing traps in this area, but I just feel like having sets of Uncharted floats marking a no float channel seems a little hypocritical. I don't know, there's gotta be a better way. I'm not quite sure what this is, but it seems like an environmental violation of some sort to me. It's not showing up on camera very well, but it's bright yellow. It definitely doesn't look like normal sea foam. We just dropped the sails and are probably going to start another engine pretty soon. There are some nasty thunderstorms forecasted to come through here. So we're going to try and make it as far up as we can today. Maybe somewhere in here, or ideally all the way up here. We'll see. It's about 6:30 p.m. and we are just now pulling into our anchorage. Looks like this is the calm before the storm, but it is beautiful in here, and it smells like blackberry bushes. We've been here for about an hour and the wind is definitely starting to pick up.
I think it's kind of dying out by the time it gets all the way over here.
Because it was over here in Baltimore, so these guys got hammered, and then it came over, and that looks like it's getting the remnants of it passing.
Right. Well, I'm enjoying this breeze, that's for sure.
Yeah, me too.
Good morning. That storm ended up passing us late last night. We got a crap ton of rain and I think like 40 knots of wind, but no lightning. So mission accomplished. We've decided to stay put today and get some chores done. Ray is changing the oil in the engines and the inside of the boat desperately needs to be cleaned. So I'm gonna work on that and then we'll be out of here bright and early tomorrow.